first thing we need to do for this solution is to figure out what all the unique items are here. So one quicker way of doing that is I'm going to copy that column. I'm just going to put it somewhere. So for now I'm just going to paste it there. And then what we can do to find out all the unique items here that need to be worked on, go data, remove duplicates. You'll see it says it's only going to look for duplicates in column L. That's fine. I'm going to say OK. And you'll see it removes a lot of duplicates and only leaves the 96 unique values. So these unique values now are listed. I'm just going to copy them and put them into my table as the original name. So just get rid of that. If you wanted to make it a bit easier, you could sort them. Now you need to go through and set up the table so that we understand that Washington DC, how should it appear. Another quick way to do that, notice I've put my filter on here. So I'm going to go here and I can do the same. I'm going to type wash. So those are all items that seem to contain Washington. See, it's highlighted. I've decided I'm going to use that one. I'm just going to paste it there, copy it and paste it everywhere here. When I now go to all, you'll see all the Washingtons in their various versions have what I expect to see. You then need to work through the rest of it and put each one as it should be. Once you have your translation table set up, then you must just create a VLOOKUP that will use this to convert the original capture of the data into what we need. So we're going to do a VLOOKUP. I want to say look up that value in this table with the dollar signs, pull through column 2. In this case we're going to say false. It must exactly match what it sees there. When I paste it, copy and paste it, you'll see it's now converted all of these into the versions we want to see.